Car wash mode is a feature in your Tesla Model 3 designed to protect the car during automated car washes. It disables automatic emergency braking, closes all windows, locks the charge port, and disables wiper auto wipes and door chimes. Occasionally, the system can glitch and get stuck, preventing you from shifting out of neutral or drive. This happens due to software glitches rather than hardware failures. As of 2026, Tesla has greatly improved on this issue. The simplest way to exit car wash mode is by shifting the gear lever into drive or reverse after the car wash is complete. Under normal circumstances, this action should automatically deactivate the mode. If the issue persists after trying this, continue watching for the next possible solution. The neutral and parking brake fix is a common solution for a stuck car wash mode. First, shift your Tesla Model 3 into neutral N using the gear lever. Next, engage the parking brake either through the touchscreen or by using the physical button if equipped. Wait for 10 to 15 seconds. This allows the car's system to reset, often disengaging car wash mode. Then try shifting back into drive. If the neutral and parking brake fix doesn't work, you can force a vehicle restart. To do this, hold the power button for 10 seconds to shut off the vehicle. Then wait until the screen comes back on and try the previous methods again. This power cycles the car's computer and can resolve software glitches causing the issue. Tesla frequently releases software updates that include bug fixes and improvements. Navigate to Software greater than Update on your car's touchscreen to check for and install any available updates. Keeping your software current can prevent or resolve car wash mode issues. Neutral and parking brake fix works because engaging the parking brake while in neutral effectively disengages the regenerative braking system, which can sometimes interfere with exiting car wash mode. It essentially resets the vehicle's state variables, allowing a clean exit from the mode. It's a software workaround, not a fix for a hardware problem. Currently, Tesla owners must manually activate and deactivate car wash mode through the touchscreen, as shown on this dashboard display. Tesla is developing a fully autonomous car wash mode where sensors and cameras will automatically detect when the vehicle enters a car wash facility and engage the mode, then deactivate it once the cycle is complete. In the current V13.x software, Tesla has integrated predictive diagnostics, where the vehicle uses artificial intelligence to analyze sensor data after a car wash, helping to prevent the mode from getting stuck. This autonomous approach could eliminate the need for manual fixes in the future, providing a more seamless and error-free experience for Tesla owners. Important considerations for car wash mode include avoiding activation outside of actual car washes to prevent glitches. If none of the fixes work or the problem persists, contact your local Tesla service center for assistance. Be prepared to describe the steps you've already taken when seeking support. With Tesla's ongoing software improvements, this issue is largely resolved in newer model vehicles. Stay safe and enjoy your Tesla.